Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going over my business. So it's called S&M Designs, and there's my logo. Okay. The slogan is "You think it, we make it," and contact us today for all of your needs. The S&M stands for my horses' names, Spartan and Maddie. And the design part is that with my Cricut machine, I make decals or pretty much anything you can think of that it can cut out for you. Some examples being shirts, coffee cups, and signs. These can be made in any color, any font, and say whatever you like. One of the ideas that I had was for my wedding to make all my signs myself, so that's going to save a lot of money for sure. Some more examples being pot holders, wall stickers that can say your family's name or any quotes that you like, any car decals that could be to promote a business or just something to go with your personality. And then tumblers, and then makeup bags. And the tumblers and makeup bags are both something that I have made myself for my bridesmaids for my wedding. And then we have some invitations and banners. The invitations are a really good idea because the machine actually cuts the paper out for you, and then you pretty much all you have to do is put them together. So again, that's pretty customizable as far as color, shape, and whatever you want on it. You can use it for anything. You can use it for wedding, birthday party, baby shower, bridal shower, whatever you can think of. Same goes for the birthday banner and the garden banner. The difference with the garden banner is that it's made pretty much the same way that you would do a shirt or a makeup bag. So they're heat adhesive, and then they have some keychains on there as well that are pretty cool. They're acrylic keychains that can be made fairly easily, just stickers basically. And my pitch is that we can custom make more than what we offer. Anything that you can think of, we can definitely make or offer. Everything is custom made for you, your preference and needs. And then you can call or text with any questions. So anything that is not sold like directly, you can definitely still have it made. If it's something I just haven't thought of or hasn't been done yet, I'll definitely make it worth a try. So we can do anything and everything, so don't be afraid to ask. So yeah, that's my business. Thank you.